Yes guys, right here, so I'm gonna make some Escovich saltfish. Yes, so you see my saltfish right there, so yeah. So now guys, right there, so now me strip off the saltfish, strip off the scale off it. So you see, I cut it in 4 pieces and get out the scale, and then I have a pan with water right there. So after I cut it, I'm gonna put it in the pan with the water to soak overnight, because you want to get out that excess salt out of it. You know, some people trouble with high blood pressure, you understand? So me squeeze some lime, and the lime helps to cut the salt. So I squeeze the lemon inside, and then I cover it and I let it soak for 1 day overnight. So guys, this is the next day, so you can see the saltfish soak, and you know it kind of soft, so you have to take time with it because it's delicate right now. So guys, after the saltfish soak, I'm gonna use my paper towel and dry it. Make sure that it's dry, so when you're frying it, you don't have no water pop up and burn you. So I use my paper towel and I dab it and dry the excess water from the saltfish. Like that, you just get a paper towel and do that. Yes. So right about now, I put some olive oil in my pot, and I put a pepper, and I'm gonna put some garlic, because you want to have that nice taste, you understand? My oil is hot. You can see that the oil is hot, right? So right now I'm gonna place my saltfish in, because the oil is hot. So I'm gonna put them in, and you want this to fry golden on both sides, you understand? So I'm gonna let it stay on that side for maybe like 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip it over to the other side. So guys, it's about time to flip it. Look at that. You want that golden brown color, you understand? So you're gonna do 10 minutes and another 10 minutes on the next side to get it cooked. So you see guys, look at that golden brown color saltfish. So now I'm gonna take this set out, because it's 4 piece, and look at it. You want it to have that nice color, and the pepper and the garlic make it taste so nice, you understand? So guys, look at the saltfish. Look at that beautiful color. Oh my god, look at that beautiful color. Voila. So right here I have some carrots, some onions, white onion, red onion. So now I'm gonna saute my carrots and my onions. So I tip a little olive oil inside, and I'm gonna saute this. You don't want it to get too soft, you understand? So I'm gonna saute it, and I'm gonna tip a little vinegar on it, like 1 teaspoon vinegar over it. Like I said guys, I put 1 teaspoon of vinegar over it to saute, to give that nice taste, you understand? Yeah. And you can have this with crackers, because I eat mine with crackers and it tastes real. So guys, now that my carrot and my onion is sauteed, I'm gonna place it over on the saltfish right now. Oh god, if you smell this, oh my god, this is my first time doing this, and it turned out so good. Yeah, turned out real good. So guys, that's the final of my saltfish, final touch of my saltfish, Escovich saltfish. Look at that, look at that lovely saltfish on top guys. Oh my god guys, if you try this home, please tag me in it, because it tastes so delicious. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Put on your post notifications, so you each time I upload a video will get notified guys. Me I tell you, I can't wait for digging in this. And guess what I eat this with? I eat this with crackers, like cream crackers, national cream crackers. It tastes so good. It tastes so good. Not national, Excelsior cream crackers, because me kind of prefer Excelsior cream crackers than national right now. It tastes so good. So until next